Hey there, friends. If you've been enjoying our real-life English conversations, make sure you don't miss episode 9 Conversation at the Bank. It's packed with useful phrases to help you speak confidently in financial situations. And if you're looking to improve your English for medical settings, then listen closely. We've already taken you through some essential scenes like visiting the doctor's office and buying medicines at the pharmacy. Those episodes were just the beginning. But today, in episode 10, we're going one step deeper. This episode is dedicated to helping you understand and speak common medical English that we use in daily life, like how to describe symptoms, talk about pain, or explain how you're feeling to a friend. Because let's be honest, we don't only talk about health at the doctor's clinic, right? So stay with us as Ryan and I chat casually at home and help you learn real, useful, everyday medical English. Let's begin.
Emma, I've been having this weird headache since yesterday. It's not sharp, just kind of dull and constant.
No, Ryan. That sounds uncomfortable. Did you get enough sleep last night?
Barely. I was tossing and turning all night.
Maybe you're coming down with something. Idiom coming down with something. It means you're starting to get sick, like catching a cold or flu. Comment below if you've heard this idiom before. What do you think it means in your language?
Yeah, I hope it's not the flu again. My throat feels a little scratchy too, and my body feels sore.
Let's keep an eye on it. If it gets worse, you might need to see a doctor. Oh, by the way, did you drink enough water today?
To be honest, not really. I've just been glued to my screen working all day.
Ryan, staying hydrated is so important, especially when you're feeling under the weather. Idiom feeling under the weather, it means you're not feeling well or slightly sick. Tell us in the comments, have you ever used this phrase before?
I know. I'll grab a bottle of water right now. Also, I've been skipping meals lately. Just haven't had much appetite.
No wonder your immune system is down. Nutrition plays a big role in staying healthy, by the way. Do you want me to make you some herbal tea? It might help soothe your throat. Vocab herbal tea. A tea made from natural herbs and plants, often used for health purposes. Can you name one herbal tea from your country? Share in the comments.
That sounds perfect. You're always so good with home remedies. Oh, and remember when I had that stomach issue last month? You made that magic ginger drink.
Yes, ginger is great for digestion. Honestly, we all should be a bit more proactive about our health.
True. But sometimes I feel overwhelmed by all the health advice out there.
Yeah, there's so much information, but I believe in listening to your body. Idiom listen to your body, it means to notice how your body feels and respond to it, especially when it needs rest or care. Have you ever ignored signs from your body? Let us know in the comments.
Wise words, Emma. I'll start with some tea and rest today.
Good, and tomorrow, if you're still not feeling well, we'll visit the clinic.
Deal. You're the best nurse ever, you know that.
I try. Now go lie down, Dr. Emma's orders.
Yes, ma'am. I guess I'll cancel my gym session today too. No point in pushing myself when I'm running low on energy.
Exactly. Remember what happened last time you worked out with a fever? You almost fainted on the treadmill. Well, today, your only workout is lifting that cup of tea and watching some feel-good shows.
Sounds like a perfect prescription. By the way, where did you learn to handle all this so well? You're surprisingly calm when someone is sick.
Years of watching medical dramas and helping my little brother with his allergies. Trust me, those late-night sneezes were a full-time job.
Now, I'm imagining you running around the house with tissues and a thermometer.
You're not too far off. But jokes apart, it's really helpful to know a bit of everyday medical English, especially when traveling or even just talking to a doctor confidently.
Totally. Honestly, even at the pharmacy. Sometimes I feel lost when I see those long names on the prescription.
Right? And terms like side effects or dosage are important to understand. That's why I always say, don't just take medicine, understand what it does.
Spoken like a true doctor. Maybe next episode should be Dr. Emma's Medical Tips for Dummies.
Tempting. But for now, how about I share some useful medical phrases that our listeners can use in real life?
Perfect. I am all ears. And maybe our audience can note them down too.
Before we end, let me share a few important medical phrases we used or talked about today that can really help you in daily life. When you're feeling sick, you might say, "I'm coming down with something." It's a gentle way to tell someone you may be getting ill. If you're already not feeling well, you can simply say, "I'm feeling under the weather." If you want to encourage someone to take action about a health issue, you might say, "Don't brush it under the rug." And if you're exhausted, but not just tired, really worn out, you can say you're experiencing a fatigue. These phrases aren't just for doctors' offices. They're for real conversations with friends, family, and coworkers, too. If you found this conversation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Try using the new vocab or idioms we learned today. And don't miss our fun quiz shorts based on this episode. They'll help you review what you've learned. And if you haven't already, go back and check out Episode 7 Conversation at the Doctor's Office and Episode 8 at the Pharmacy for a full medical English experience. See you next time. Stay healthy and keep learning with us.